Hi, this is Megan Mason, and this is my Module 12 data protocol. And I decided to do a two-page document because I wanted to first explain to my staff on how this is going to look. First, we'd start with the access part, defining the problem and what trends are there. And from there, we'd go from our analyze. So what is happening, what does the data say, and what additional data do we need? So is there good stuff that we have, or are we slacking on some data collecting? And then once we have all of that facts, then how are we going to act? What are we going to do? What do we need to do? Going back to the analyze part, if we don't have any data, we should probably start there. And again, this is a never-ending cycle because after we get to the acting part and we're starting to do things, we want to go back and make sure we're constantly revisiting this problem and is it a problem anymore? And if it's not, then we can move on to a different problem. My second page is an example of a problem that I think that we have at our school. I know a lot of people do have this issue with the learning gaps, but specifically here we're seeing it with a lot of students that are moving in that don't start here from pre-K. So I made it to where we could definitely change any of these boxes. So I would have a blank document also. But this one I just went ahead and filled in for the topic I wanted to focus on. So what's nice about this, you could look at it versus a class or school. So number one, finding how many people are in your class or in your school. Um, does the students show a learning gap? Yeses go here, nos go here. Then from our yeses, we'd go into um, students who have been at the district since pre-K. Again, yes, they have, no, they have not. And I see I missed a no there. I'm sorry, guys. And then here would be if we were going from here, then we'd move on to are the students performing in the 50th percentile or higher? Again, yeses or nos. And then same down here. And the same would be for down here if we started with our no's. So let's say they don't have a learning gap. Um, is it because they have been in pre-K since they've been here, or have they been a move-in? Where are they performing? So it would be, I'm kind of interested to see that kind of gap in what the data says about these students and their demographics. And then my last box is what are we doing to help the students be successful and what are we needing help with? So do we have something in place that is helping these students in their learning gaps? Is there something we can help, especially with students that are moving in, or do we have extra time for these students? So that is my data protocol, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.